Hi, Linda Bowen here from StampingWithLinda.com, your cardiologist since 1997, helping you create cards from the heart. Today, I'm going to teach you how to do a landscape scallop tag topper card, which is a mouthful. I have been doing these tag topper cards for several weeks now. I'm just loving them, so this is my share today. This is my 58th in Creative Folds. And again, it is that gate fold, except it's landscape, meaning that it is wider. This is the crocheted ribbon. It is on the Stampin' Up! Retired list, and I already had these cards done before the retired list came out. So if they are not available, I'm sorry, but I know that you are stampers and that you can improvise. Also, I already know that the field flowers is gone, but again, stampers always have a lot of flowers, so you can use another flower set. We're going to bring in my personal trimmer and take a piece of crumb cake cardstock. This measures 4 1/4 by 10 3/4. We are going to score it at the 2 3/4 and the 8. We are going to do the same thing that we have done with our other scallop topper punches, and that is bring in a ruler, and we are going to mark halfway down. Since this measures 4 1/4, we are going to make a dot at the 2 1/8 on both sides, and that is what we are going to use for our guide for our scallop tag topper. Now open that up. We do have a 2-inch channel, but we are just going to override that channel. Pull that up at the top and punch like so. And do the same at the other side. Pull it in, match up our dot in the middle, and punch. Going to be bringing back in that Stampin' Up! Trimmer, and this time we are going to be using the cutting blade. We are going to lay the part that is punched out right in the channel. Nice thing about the Stampin' Up! Trimmer is that our scoring blade will go out of reach when we're not using it. So we're going to just cut those 2 pieces off, making our gate fold with the scallop tag topper. I've already cut my cardstock and stamped, so I'm just going to assemble it for you. First, I'm going to bring in a 5 1/8 by 4 1/8 Coastal Cabana. All the measurements will be on my blog, and you will be able to search it by landscape scallop tag topper card. I'll lay that. So when you are stamping this image here, you want to stamp in the middle so that it shows through your gate fold. Next, what I have done is taken the mosaic punch. Again, that love is from the field flowers. That is retired, but you can find another verse to go into that mosaic punch. Then just used a circle 1 1/4 for a layering. So like so. Next, I'm going to bring in my Coastal Cabana and my Designer Series paper. This is the Fresh Prints. My Fresh Prints is measuring 1 1/2 by 3 3/4. Again, check up all the measurements on my blog. And those will go on the 2 gate folds. Like so. And then you can just tie that card with whatever ribbon you would like to use. And there you have it, a landscape scallop tag topper card. Thanks for joining Creative Folds with StampingWithLinda.com. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.